Hi, welcome back to my name is Pulu, and today we are going to reviewing this Matchbox moving parts of 2004 Honda S2000 comfortable mode. Now, first thing first, we are going to talk about the card of this moving parts Matchbox. As you can see right now, here the design of this card is pretty unusual for Taik's car. Here you can see it's look like it's follow the shape of its letter, and it's bubble like a capsule, and from the parts here. Now this is the front of the card. As you can see here, Matchbox moving parts here, front. Number 9, I think this is number 9 from 20, metal logo here now, and you can see here this is open parts from the hood of this Honda 2004 Honda S2000, and the logo of Honda itself here. And let's see from the back of the card. Okay, nothing strange, nothing different. Unless here, series number 9 from 2004 Honda S2000 with the Honda logo. Now, let's unbox it. Okay, let us open the bubble. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a picture behind the bubble, like a city picture. Okay, let's open it, and it feels quite light. The weight of this Honda S2000 moving part is quite light. Let's open it. See, there's a city here from behind the bubble. Now, this is the Honda S2000 from inside the bubble, colored in white with a yellow rims, gold rims, not yellow. Let's open it. Boom. First thing first, let's see from the left side of the car. The paint is flat paint, but with some detail here. There's a side mirror here, there's a sign light here, there's a door handle, and the lining of the door is here, and there's a fuel cap here. Front, nice detail. The headlight is made from plastic. The headlight is made from plastic. Some of a grill detail here, black grill. The right side of the car is the same as the left side, except there's no fuel cap here, of course. And from the back of the car, nicely detailed. The taillight detail is very good. You can see here, there's a brake light, there's a sign light, there's a reverse light, and of course there's a Honda logo here. Yes, see, Honda logo there. There's a keyhole here, and I think this is the brake light. Also, there's a trunk detail here, and I think this is for the antenna of the car. And the interior is colored in black. No, not black, but gray. Yes, the interior colored in gray, but it lack of detail from the dashboard. There's nothing detailed from the dashboard. And from the base itself, quite detailed from the base. Yep. From the base, oh sorry, here you can see 2004 Honda S2000. There's some code here, Matchbox here, right in here. 2017 model, made in Thailand. Quite detailed from the base. Now let us talk about the engine. Now we're talking. You can see there's a lot of detail from the inside of this hood. Very good detail from the engine itself. Nice. You can see there's a red, there's a black, some gold there. Yep. Very good detail from the engine. So I think there's a VTEC right in there. Sorry, there's a VTEC. Let me see first. Is it right VTEC here? Wait a minute. Yes, it's a VTEC written there. You can see VTEC 2 from the top of this engine. Very nice detail there. Yes, very nice detail from the hood, from the engine. It's from inside the hood. You can see, nice. This is from the closed hood. Fortunately, there's no Honda logo from the hood itself. See, you can just push in here to open the hood. Very nice. Okay. You just put in here. Well, before we put this Honda S2004 S2000 comfortable mode to the turntable, let's see the weight of this car itself. As you can see, the weight is about 32.0 grams. Yes, it's precisely 32 grams. No wonder it's quite light. Now let us put this Honda 2004 S2000 on the turntable. Now first we put this 2004 Honda S2000 in a closed hood. You can see nicely detailed from the front, like a Honda logo. Nice gold rims and nicely detailed from the back of this car. Now let's see this Honda 2004 Honda S2000 on its open hood. You can see from the red parts of the engine there's a VTEC 2, I think VTEC 2 written there. Is a very nicely detailed from the Matchbox moving parts number 9 from 20. Okay, I think it's time for us to say goodbye, and I hope you do enjoy our reviewing this time about this Matchbox moving parts of Honda 2004 Honda S2000. I'll see you next time to reviewing another diecast car. Have a nice day and goodbye.